What's up? Today we're going to be learning how to spin the 3-section staff. Let's get to it. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and share this with a friend who wants to learn how to hold and how to spin 3-section staff. First, we're going to use some Jujutsu Kaisen references, especially Toji Fushiguro, who definitely showed off more of the skills of the 3-section staff, especially holding in a stance that is definitely useful within every combat. And I want you to place your hand right here on the furthest end of the middle side of the 3-section staff, and your other hand right here on the far end of the front side of the 3-section staff. For the first spin, we're gonna go like this. Our left hand, which is having the opposite side of the 3-section staff, we're gonna have it right over here, and with the right hand going underneath it. The entire time with the 3-section bow staff, you're gonna have to make sure both your arms are moving at simultaneously. So while the left hand is going over, going down onto the other side, it's gonna come right back. Boom, like that. So boom, boom, like that. First try. But if you guys are a beginner, I want you to practice this movement first before you start adding the extra swings in there too, to give it more of a flair. Because if you're not careful, you're gonna hurt yourself. So you're gonna go like this, boom, boom with the left hand. Boom, boom. And we get used to that, then we can go ahead and add the extra spin here, boom, and then bring this over that side. Then here, over that side. Here, over that side. Slash, another slash. Slash, another slash. Slash, another slash. And once you get used to that, you can actually add some extra spins to it. You go like this, boom, 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 boom. Or you can go also walk with it. Used to doing that. And make it work. So to recap, is I want you guys to do. First, hold it at the base of this side, make this like a screamer stick, and hold the base at the midsection of the 3-section staff at the very end. So what I want you to do is practice going up. Slash, and follow up. Slash, follow up. Slash, follow up. I know it's gonna feel weird with your arms going across like this, but trust me, it's gonna make sense. So you go like this, slash, this, slash, this, slash, this, slash. Get used to it. Get used to that basic spin. After that, you can add some extra spins into it too, but only when you're comfortable. Remember, this is still a complicated weapon. So that is it for the video. As for a recap, that's just pretty much it. My dog is coming across. He's enjoying outside. But anyway, if you guys have any comments or any questions, go ahead and put it down in the comments down below. And if you guys want to see another tutorial of this, by all means, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and share this with your friends. This is it for Hot Kaiju. Peace.